is footage of a man who went through absolute hell to protect his family from Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica.
We will not give up, no, we will fight this storm. Though our hearts are breaking, we are battle born. From the ashes of destruction, like a phoenix we will rise. Jamaica strong, Jamaica proud, with fire in our eyes. Yeah. I see my neighbor share his bread, though his cupboard running bare. I see the youth